In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to PDF in mobile. If you need a clean professional PDF from text on your phone, using Google Docs method works the same on both Android and iOS. And doesn't cost a thing. By the end, you will have a polished PDF ready to send, store, or print. All without leaving the Google Docs app. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, head to your device's App Store, search for Google Docs and install it. Once it's on your device, open the app. You may see a brief sign-in or permissions prompt. That's normal. A stable internet connection helps here, since Google Docs saves to the cloud as you go. Next, create a fresh document. Tap the plus icon, usually at the bottom right of the screen, to start a new file. This opens a blank page with your keyboard ready to go, and that's where you will add your content now. Add your text. You can type directly into the document or paste text you copied earlier. To paste quickly on mobile, long press in the blank area and choose Paste. Take a moment to glance over spacing and line breaks. The way your text looks here is essentially how it will appear in the PDF, so tidy up any odd gaps or extra returns before converting. When your text looks good, open the document options. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is where Google Docs keeps tools for sharing, exporting, and additional settings. From that menu, choose Share and Export. Then tap Save As. Despite the name, you are not sharing anything. Yet this is simply where the export formats live. You will see a list of file types. Select PDF document, .pdf. Then tap OK. Google Docs will convert the current version of your document into a PDF. This typically takes just a moment. You will see a brief confirmation once it's ready. Your new PDF is now saved alongside the original document in your Google Docs and Drive environment. You can open it from your recent files in the app whenever you need to view it. Attach it to an email or reference it later. If you plan to convert text often, keeping your content simple, clear headings, consistent spacing, and plain text makes for the cleanest looking PDFs. That's it. Thanks for watching.